Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw Jmpt from MetaMask. First, ensure your MetaMask wallet is connected to the correct network, typically Binance Smart Chain. You'll need a small amount of BNB in your wallet to cover the gas fees for the transaction. We'll walk through connecting to the Jmpt dashboard and initiating the withdrawal. This process is straightforward once you know the key steps involved. Let's get started with the first step. To begin, navigate to the official Jmpt dashboard website. Once there, locate the Connect Wallet button, usually found in the top right corner. Select MetaMask from the options presented and approve the connection request in your wallet. Always double-check that you are on the legitimate Jmpt site to avoid phishing scams. Confirm your wallet address is correctly displayed on the dashboard before proceeding to the next step. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: tired of cleaning up after all that crypto trading? Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It has voice control, self-emptying, and is super pet-friendly, so your floors stay spotless while you manage your tokens. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now, within the Jmpt dashboard, look for the section dedicated to Jmpt withdrawals. You'll typically see your available Jmpt balance displayed. Enter the exact amount of Jmpt you wish to transfer out of your wallet. The platform will then show you the estimated transaction fees, which are paid in BNB. Carefully review all the details before confirming the withdrawal request in your MetaMask wallet. After initiating the withdrawal on the Jmpt dashboard, a MetaMask pop-up window will appear. This window displays the full transaction details, including the gas fees in BNB. Take a moment to review these costs and ensure they are acceptable. If everything looks correct, click the Confirm button within MetaMask. Your Jmpt tokens will then be processed for withdrawal, and you can track the transaction on a block explorer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.